You didn't have to cut me off. I got you, homie. Let's go.
So that was a f***ing lie.
Oh, hi, Mark.
It's payback time.
Come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f*** is that?
Ha! Gay!
Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You serious?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Boring.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Good job.
New face filters on Instagram today. This is my favorite one so far. Nice job, team.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Talo. Sorry. I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
How? How did they think that was okay to even put it in the game? I'm so sick of this company. The trash! Fix the game! It sucks playing the shit! And I'm addicted! So I can't quit!
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
Perfect.
And I've decided that I want to die.
هاكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هاكر.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Now, I'm really mad.
Bruh.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Oh Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
Daddy, chill.
We don't do that here.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
That was easy.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Oh, hey. I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bruh, chill.
My time has come.
Sike!
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Hello, guys. It's Jovan. And you know what time it is? Disco time.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga?
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Peter, why you... what he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch. You bully me, everyone asks. Liquid asking you why you bullying me, you fucking noob.
Who's laughing now?
Emotional, damn it. Oh my. Wow.
FBI, open up!
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty.
Hackerman. He's the most powerful hacker of all time.
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
I don't like where this is going.
We tired of playing with your ass, nigga. Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Say goodnight, motherfucker.
What the fuck?
What?
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Got him! Got him!
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Wow! Beautiful!
Boom, roasted.
What a fucking nigga.
Trayvon, just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Go, just go.
What the fuck?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit. Stop it. Get some help.
Ah, shit. Here you go again.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
I mean, it's alright. Like, overrated as f, in my opinion. I mean, and you know what, though? That's typically how the bullshit goes. You feel me?
Women.
Huh?
Whaley has landed several of those inside low kicks.
The game is broken, EA Sports. The game is broken. I'm losing every single game. Again. Again.
We do not care.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
What do you mean by that?
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.